Hi, in this video, we will look at how to enter tax ratios and tax rate. So once you're logged on the portal, you'll click on the budgets tab. Over here, the first thing that I want to do is sort them by the year. So I'm entering my tax ratios and tax rates for the next year. So I like to have the year 2024 on the top. So I'm going to sort them by the descending order. And then I want to make sure that my status says budget ready for LG. Okay. And then I'm entering my information for the general budget. So I'm going to select the general budget and click on the budget number here. Then you will come to the budget overview page. So if you scroll a tiny bit down, you will see various tabs here, revenue, expense, and tax rates. So you'll click on the tax rates. Okay. Over here, you'll see a field for tax ratio. So over here, you can enter your tax ratios. So you can either type it in, or you can use the arrows here. Okay, or if you want, you can just type it in. Same thing for the heavy industry. Or you can use the arrows to bring the ratios up and down. Now, there is a validation rule in here. So the value has to be between 1.4 and 1.7. Okay, so if you try to type, let's say 1.8, it'll display sort of a warning message saying that you cannot have a number greater than 1.7. Okay, 1.4. And then if you scroll down here, this is the place where you can enter your tax rates. So at the moment, the adopted warrant amount is showing 0. So let's go ahead and enter tax rate. So I'm just making up some numbers here. Okay. So as soon as I click on save, I should see my adopted warrant amounts here. So let's go ahead and click on save. Okay, I'm going to click X on the confirmation message. So now you can see that it displays my adopted warrant amount. Okay, so at this point, either you can click on the exit budget to exit out of this page, or if you feel like you made an error or you need to enter some more rates, you can do so. So let's just say I want to make a change in the tax ratios. Do that. You can go ahead and enter. Okay, click on save, and my changes are saved. Okay, so at this point, let's just assume that I'm done making all my changes. I've entered my tax ratios and my tax rates. I can click on the exit button to go out of the page. So this is where you'll enter all your residential, non-residential, and your heavy industrial tax rates. Okay, so let's click on exit button, and you're back on the budgets page. Now you can click on portal home to go back to the home page. So this ends our video on how to enter tax ratios and tax rates. Thank you.